Want to program a key fob for your 2007-2012 Nissan Versa yourself? It's a simple DIY process that can save you money. These models use a basic radio frequency system, making it easy to sync the fob with your car. You'll be pairing the fob's unique ID with your car's immobilizer and remote entry modules by cycling the ignition and pressing buttons on the fob. The process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, and no special tools are usually required. Just be aware that aftermarket fobs may not always work, so genuine Nissan fobs are recommended for optimal results. Note that while Nissan Versa models from this era use similar systems, exact procedures can vary slightly by year and trim. Always consult your vehicle's manual or a professional if you're unsure, as improper programming could affect security features. Begin by turning the key to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press the lock, unlock, and panic buttons in sequence within a 10 to 20 second window. Repeat these ignition cycles 3 to 5 times to complete programming. These steps should successfully program your key fob. If programming doesn't work, check for common issues like timing errors or signal interference. Ensure the battery is not dead. Replace with a CR2032 if needed. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes if problems continue. Note model variations. Earlier models use 2-button fobs. Later ones may require additional steps for hatchbacks. If all else fails, consult your Nissan dealer for assistance.